So in this example, you're asked to find the remainder when x power 999 is divided by x square minus 4x plus 3. So x power 999 is divided by x square minus 4x plus 3. So you get some quotient and you get some remainder. So what is the form in which remainder might look like? This is a quadratic function. The degree of remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So the remainder should be of the form ax plus b. So let me assume that the remainder is of the form ax plus b. So I just need to find a and b to get the value of the remainder. So using the division algorithm, I write that the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder ax plus b. So now to find ax plus b, you try to form two equations in a and b and try to solve it. So how do you form the two equations? So we take some special numbers. So the numbers are nothing but the factors of this polynomial. We know that x square minus 4x plus 3 can be factorized as x minus 1 times x minus 3. That means at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3, this expression becomes 0. So let us use that property. For x is equal to 1, what does this equation become? 1 power 999 is 1 is equal to, so this becomes 0. 0 times q of x is 0. A times 1 plus b. That means a plus b is equal to 1. Next, for x is equal to 3. For x is equal to 3, what happens? 3 power 999 is equal to, so for x is equal to 3, also this expression becomes 0. 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 12 is 0. So this whole expression vanishes. So you just have this expression. So x is equal to 3. So 3a plus b. Now you have two equations in a and b. You just need to solve them. So subtract one from the other. So 2a is equal to 3 power 999 minus 1. This implies a is equal to 3 power 999 minus 1 by 2. 3 power 999 minus 1 by 2. So you get the value of a. So what is the value of b? b is equal to 1 minus a. So b is equal to 1 minus of 3 power 999 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to, so 2 plus 1. 3 minus 3 power 999 by 2. So this will be the value of b. This will be the value of a. So the remainder, the required remainder is nothing but 3 power 999 minus 1 by 2 times x plus 3 minus 3 power 999 by 2. Thank you.